Depositing a check at the bank drive-thru is a convenient and time-saving process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To start, make sure you have a valid checking or savings account with the bank and that you have the check you want to deposit. First, pull up to the drive-thru lane and take a deposit slip from the dispenser or use one from your checkbook. Fill out the deposit slip by writing your account number, the date, and the amount of the check you are depositing. Make sure to sign the deposit slip as this is a required step for the transaction to be processed. Next, endorse the check by signing your name on the back of the check. This is an important step as it verifies that you are the owner of the check and authorizes the bank to deposit the funds into your account. Now, proceed to the drive-thru window and let the bank representative know that you would like to make a deposit. Hand them the deposit slip and the endorsed check through the tube or at the window. The bank representative will verify the information on the deposit slip and the check to ensure everything is correct. The bank representative will then process the transaction and provide you with a receipt as proof of the deposit. Make sure to review the receipt to ensure the deposit amount is correct and that the funds will be available in your account as expected. It is also important to note that some banks may have specific requirements or restrictions for depositing checks at the drive-thru, such as limits on the amount that can be deposited or requirements for identification. Be sure to check with your bank to see if there are any specific requirements you need to be aware of. By following these simple steps, you can easily deposit a check at the bank drive-thru and have access to your funds quickly and conveniently. Remember to always review your receipt and verify the deposit amount to ensure everything is correct and to avoid any potential issues.